Good morning and welcome back to our online class. So today we are heading towards the end of this chapter number 4, that is division of your class 3 mathematics. Right student? So today we are going to do the word problem based on division. Right? Okay. Let us start our class. First of all, your class 3 maths. Right? And today's date is 04/09/20. Okay. Chapter number 4, division. Exercise 4.4. Alright children? Okay. Now let us solve it. Okay. Let's see question number 1. Question number 1, right? If 576 students are arranged equally in 8 rows, how many students are there in each row? That means, do you remember when you do your assembly, when you are in the assembly, you are in a rows, right? Right children? So total there were 576 students, okay, and 8 rows were there. So my question is, in one row how many students are there? So what you have to do? We have to divide, right children? Okay. So let us start this question number 1. Okay, question number 1. What is there? First of all, number of students. Number of students. First of all, you say me how many students were there? 576 students. Right? Next, number of rows. How many number of rows were there? How many rows were there? Number of rows. How many? 8 rows. Yes or no children? Okay. Now, number of students in one row. Number of student in one row. So what we have to do? We have to do this. 576 divided by 8, like this. Alright? Now let us do division here. 576 divided by 8. Right? Now we have to say the table. 8 ones are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64. But what is here? 57. So we cannot take 64. What we have to take before that? So 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. 7 minus 6, 1. 5 minus 5, 0. Then this 6 will come down. So 1 6, 16. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So we got our answer. What is it? 72 students are there in one row. Did you get children? How to solve? First of all, you have to write the number of students. How many students were there? The number of rows. How many rows were there? The number of students in one row. What we have to do? We have to divide this. We solved here. How much we got? 72. This is our answer, that 72 students are there in one row. Right? Okay. Now let us solve the next question. Question number 2. Alright. Question number 2. Question number 2. Now let us read the question first. Okay. 680 kg of rice was to be packed into bags. Okay. There were 680 kg of rice, and which has to be packed into the bags. If each bag can carry 20 kg, so how many bags are required to pack the rice? Now, first of all, we have to write amount of rice to be packed. That means amount of rice. How many rice were there? Total amount of rice. How many rice were there? 680 kg. 680 kg. Now, one bag carry how much? One bag carry how much? 20 kg. Right, children? So, how many bags are required? Number of bags required. Number of bags required. Again, what we have to do? We have to do 680 divided by 20. Right? So let us do again division here. 680 divided by 20. 21s are 20. 22s are 22s are 40. 23s are 60. 24s are 80. Now we see here 68. Right? So we cannot go 80. So what we have to do? 23s are 60. 23s are 60. Then 8 minus 0, 8. 6 minus 6, 0. And this 0 will come down. Then 21s are 20. 22s are 40. 23s are 60. 24s are 80. So 24s are 80. So how much we got? 34 bags. How many bags we need? We need 34 bags. Right, children? Clear? Okay. Let us do question number 3. Question number 3. If 1715 people can travel in 7 aircraft, then how many people can be carried in one aircraft? Aircraft means what? Aeroplane. Right, children? If 1715 people can travel in 7 aircraft, 7 aeroplane, then in one aeroplane how many people will be there? So for this what we have to do? Okay. First of all, number of people, total number of people, how many were there? Number of people. How many were there? 1715 people. Okay. Then number of aircraft, number of aeroplanes. How many aeroplanes were there? Number of aircraft. Number of aircraft. How many were there? 7. So number of people in one aircraft. Number of people in one aircraft. How many? 1715 divided by 7. Then we have to do the division here. 1715 divided by 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So we cannot take 21. 7 2s are 14. 7 minus 4, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. 1 will come down. Right? Then 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. So 7 4s are 28. Right? Then 1 minus 8 we cannot do, we will borrow 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 minus 8, how many? 3. Then 2 minus 2, 0. This 5 will come down. 35. 7 5s are 35. So how many people are there in one aircraft? 245 people. Right, children? How many? 245. Okay. Next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Okay. A mother distributed rupees 1200 among her 3 children as their pocket money. So how much money did each child get? Very easy. 1200 money a mother has, and she has given to her 3 children. So one children, how much money did they get? So question number 4. Question number 4. Amount of money. Amount of money. How many were there? Rupees 1200. Then number of children. How many children did she have? Number of children 3. Right? Then amount of each child gets how much? Each child gets 1200 divided by 3. Then we will do the division here. 1200 divided by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 4. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. 3 4 is 12. 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0. 0 0 2. How many zeros are there? 2. Just write there 2 zeros. So what it will be? It will be 400 rupees, 400 each. Right? Or you can do like this also. 0. This 0 will come down. Then 3 zeros are 0 minus 0. Again this 0 will come down. Again 0 are 0, then 0. Yeah. If you want to write this many long, right? If you don't want, you can write this 00 directly on the top. That is your choice. Both are correct. Right, children? Both are correct. Okay. So this was the question number 4. Now let us do question number 5. Okay. Now we will do question number 5. If the cost of 24 book is rupees 3,240 rupees, then find the cost of one book. Now 24 books I have purchased from a bookshop. Okay, 24 books I purchased, and I paid how much? 3,240 rupees. So how much is the cost of one book? That we have to find. So question number 5. Okay, number of books. First of all, how many books were there? Number of books 24. How many books? 24. Then their total cost. Total cost. How much? 3 rupees. 3,240 rupees. Okay. Then the cost of one book. Cost of one book. 3240 divided by 24. 3240 divided by 24. 24 ones are 24. Right? Then 2 minus 4 you cannot do. 1 borrow. 12. 12 minus 4. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5 plus 3, 8. Then 2 minus 2, 0. Then 4 will come down. 84. 24 ones are 24. 24. If you don't know what you have to do, you have to multiply here. Right, children? So 20. Okay, not there. So we'll do down. So 24 into 2. 2 4 is 8. 2 2 is 4. Then 24 into 3. 3 4 is 12. 2 1. 3 2 6 1 7. Then again 24 into 4. 4 4 is 16. 6 1. 4 2 is 8 1 9. Now see what is there? 84. And what we have? 96. So we cannot take 96. Yes. Then what do you have to take? 72. How much the? 24 3 the 72. Then we will do subtraction. 4 minus 2 2. 8 minus 1, 7 1. Then this 0 will come down. Right? Now 24, how much the 120? 4 the 96. Then 24 into 5. 5 4 the 20. 0 2. 5 2 the 10 12. 120. How much? 5 the 120. Did you get, children? So what is the cost of one book? The cost of one book is rupees 135 only. Right? Okay. So the last question of this book, of this chapter, not of this book, of this chapter, let us complete it. Last question number 6. The question is, if 5 truck carries 2860 cartons of apple equally, then how many cartons did one truck carry? There were how many trucks? 5 trucks. And how many apples were there? 2860 cartons of apples. So we have to find in one truck how many cartons of apples were there, right? Okay. So first of all we will write number of cartons. Number of cartons. Number of carton of apple. Number of carton of apple. Okay, number of carton. How many cartons were there? 2860 cartons were there of apples. The number of trucks. How many trucks were there? Number of trucks. How many trucks were there? 7. So in one truck, how many number of carton in one truck? 2860 divided by 7. 2860 divided by 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. 7 3 is 21. 7 4 is 28. So 7 4 is 28. Then 8 minus 8 0. 2 minus 2 0. 6 will come down. Alright. Then when we brought 6, 7 1 is 7. So it is not going. So 0. This again 0 will come down. Two numbers when you are bringing down, you have to put 1 0 on the top in the question position. See, 6 we brought, 7 1 is 7, but we have 6 there. It is not going. So what we have to do, we have to bring again one number from this side. So when we bring two numbers at the same time, we have to put 1 0 there, like this. Right, children? Okay. Now 60. 7 4 is 28. 7 5 is 35. 7 6 is 42. 7 7 is 49. 7 8 is 56. 7 9 is 63. But what is here? 60. So 7 9 is 63. So 7 8 is 56. Then 0 minus we can do 10. 6 7 8 9 10. 4. Then 5 minus 5 0. So this is your reminder, right? So what we have to do? We have to write there 408 cartoon approx. APPROX. You have to write this there, approx. Right? 408. Why? Because there is one reminder. Yes or no? There is one reminder. So we cannot do this reminder there. So just we will write 408 approx. Or you can write there 410 approx. Approx means what? Approximate means nearby. Alright children, it is nearby. Approx means nearby this. 408, 410, nearby. No children. So that's why we can write there approx and we can write any one of them. Right? I want you to write this only because it is your main answer. Right? Okay. So by this we are end of this chapter number 4 division. Okay. I want you all to complete your notes and keep your copy ready. Alright? Okay. Thank you.